Okay, here's a oil catch cam fitted to the 1984 Corona drift car. Just here then, I've got this, which is 300 psi. It actually goes the opposite way of what I just did. Okay. And that there, you can tell how full it is. So as it rises, once it gets up here, you have to change it. You got the dinner right here. Just stops oil going back into the air intake and getting burnt. So makes it run a bit smoother, burn a little less oil. As you can see, I really squeeze that on, and it's not too bad. I had to drill it out actually, because it was that thick, and I just put on a hose that was that thick. Well, in the middle of those actually. That's the oil catch can. I'll start it.